Good morning, students. I am Sarika teacher here from Daudbagh English UPS School. Today I will teach you math subject. Our topic name is fraction. Before starting the lesson, first we will start the prayer. So, all of you just join your hands and close your eyes. You have to say prayer behind me. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that sings. Thank you, God, for everything. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that sings. Thank you, God, for everything. Now, all of you rub your hands, put it on your eyes, and slowly open your eyes. Now, students, today we are going to learn math subject. Our topic is fraction. In last lecture, we learned problem set number 17, and today we are going to learn about problem set 18. So, today we are going to learn about like fractions, unlike fractions, and how to convert unlike fractions into like fractions. So two concepts are there that you have to learn. First of all, you have to learn like fraction and unlike fraction. If you are able to differentiate between the like fraction and unlike fraction, you will able to solve the problem set number 18. So let us start some concepts. First, we will clear the concept of it, and afterwards we will solve the problems. One minute, wait. In this lesson, like fractions, unlike fractions. So see here, like fractions means fractions such as 1 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 6 upon 7, whose denominators are equal are called as like fractions. Here is the definition of the like fraction. So what to do? See here, here 1 upon 7. Here numerator is 1 and denominator is 7. Next one, 4 upon 7. 4 is the numerator and 7 is the denominator. 6 is the numerator and 7 is the denominator. Means all such fractions whose denominators are equal, that is 7, 7, 7. In this problem, the denominator is 7. Denominator can be different in other sums. Whose denominator are equal, means here are the equal denominators are there. That's why we call it as a like fractions. See, unlike fractions now. Fractions such as, see here, 1 upon 3. Here numerator is 1 and denominator is 3. 4 upon 8. Here numerator is 4 and denominator is 8. Next one is 9 upon 11. 9 is numerator and 11 is denominator. In this fraction, here three fractions are there. 3, 8, 11. Three different denominators are there. So the fractions which have different denominator are called as unlike fraction. So here is the difference between like fraction and unlike fraction. Just you have to remember that in like fractions denominators are equal and in unlike fractions denominators are different. So in this lesson in this problem set 18, what we have to do? We have to convert the given fraction into like fractions. Means of course the given fraction is unlike fraction only, and that unlike fraction we have to convert it into the like fraction. See here. One small activity is there for you. Just I have to clear that like fractions and unlike fractions terms are clear or not. Just I have to verify it. Find out like fraction and unlike fraction from the given fraction. Here is the combination of like fraction and unlike fraction. So first fraction is 5 upon 9. Second is 6 upon 8. 2 upon 9. 5 upon 7. 4 upon 9. 2 upon 6. And 6 upon 9. Now what we have to do? We have to differentiate the fractions into like fraction and into unlike fractions. Okay. Now who will tell me the like fractions? What we learn in like fraction? In like fraction, denominators are equal, and unlike fractions, denominators are different. So tell me now. Who will tell me the like fractions from the given fractions? Just raise your hands so I can tell you to answer. Who wants to answer? Sangam Yadav? Sangam Yadav wants to answer? Sangam, are you there, beta? Sangam. Sir, unmute the Sangam. Okay. Like fractions, here denominators are equal. So we can find the equal denominator. See here, 5 upon 9, 2 upon 9, 4 upon 9, and 6 upon 9. So we will make a list of it in like fraction. 5 upon 9, 2 upon 9, 4 upon 9, and 6 upon 9. Here are the like fractions. Now unlike fraction. See here remainings are 6 upon 8, 5 upon 7, 2 upon 6. All have the different denominators. All have the different denominator. Here is the 8, here is the 7, here is the 6. So we call it as a unlike fraction. So just note down it the unlike fractions. 6 upon 8, 5 upon 7, and 2 upon 6. So in here we are able to find out the like fractions and the unlike fractions. So let us start the problem set 18. See here, we already learned the points to be remembered in this lesson, like fraction and unlike fraction. If the concept is clear to you, then you are able to solve the problem set number 18. And what we have to do in this? We have to convert like fractions into unlike fractions into like fractions. So given fraction is 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 8. 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 8. Here is the numerator is 3 and denominator is 4. And next one is numerator is 5 and denominator is 8. So what we have to do here? We have to equal the denominator. So for that first we have to do, we must find common multiple of number 4 and 8. Here is the denominator 4 and here is the denominator 8. So first we have to write the table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3 are 12, 4 4 are 16. You can write up to 40 also. Or next one is multiple of 8. So 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. Like that way you have to write table of 8 also full. But here I got the common multiple, lowest common multiple, that is 8. Same number in the table. 8 is the number from the table of 4, and here the 8 1s are 8, that is the first number is 8 only. So here number of 8 is the common multiple of both table 4 and table 8. So let us make 8 denominator of the both fraction. So 3 upon 4, first fraction we have to write here, 3 upon 4. Then 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. If you are multiplying by 2 in denominator, same number we have to multiply in numerator. So what number we will get here? 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. So answer is 6 upon 8. We solve this fraction 3 upon 4. Like that way, we have to solve the another fraction 5 upon 8. So I wrote here 5 upon 8, and here 8 1s are 8. First multiple is 8 1s are 8. So 8 1s are 8. If you are multiplying here by 1 in denominator, same we have to multiply here in numerator. 5 1s are 5. So 5 1s are 5, 8 1s are 8. So here also we got a common same number, same denominator we got here. Here also 8 and here also 8. That only we want, because we have to convert unlike fraction. So given fraction is unlike fraction, and that we have to convert it into the like fraction, that is 6 upon 8 and 5 upon 8. So our answer is 6 upon 8 and 5 upon 8 is the like fraction of the given fraction. Okay. So let us solve the next problem, problem number 2. See here, problem number 2 is 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 7. In given fraction, numerator is 3 here and denominator is 5. And in this problem, numerator is 3 and denominator is 7. So both the denominators are different. So what we have to do? We have to convert the given fraction into the like fraction. For that, what we have to do first? Here we must find common multiple of number five and 7. These are the two denominators are unequal. So here multiple of 5. Write down 5 ka table. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50. Like that way, I wrote the multiple of 5. In the same way, we have to write table of 7. That is, we have to find multiple of 7. Say table of 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70. See here, I wrote both the tables, multiple of 5 also I wrote here, multiple of 7. Now what we have to do? We have to find the common multiple. So common multiple, find out the common multiples. 35. 35 is the common multiple. Here number 35 is a multiple of both, that is 5 and 7. So let us make 35 denominator of both the fractions. Right? Now, what's the question? 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 7. Right? So now what we have to do? We have to multiply it. The first fraction I took here, 3 upon 5 is equal to, see here, 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. So I will multiply here by 7s. If you are multiplying here by 7 in denominator, same way we have to multiply in numerator, isn't it? So what will be the answer? 7 3s are 21 and 7 5s are 35. Now see second one, 3 upon 7. 3 upon 7. Now here which number will be multiplied? See, 7 5s are 35. So I will multiply here by 5. 7 5s are. Same number we have to multiply in numerator. Multiply by 5. So 5 3s are 15 and 7 5s are 35. So we solve these fractions also. This fraction answer is 15 upon 35. So I solve here 3 upon 5, 3 upon 7, 3 upon 5, 3 upon 7. So answer is 21 upon 35 and 15 upon 35. See here, both the denominators are same, that is 35. So these are the like fraction of the given fraction, isn't it? So once again revise for this problem. See, 3 upon 5, 3 upon 7. So here is the problem number 2 from your problem set number 18. So here we must find common multiple of number 5 and 7. So what I did here, I wrote 5 ka table, then I wrote 7 ka table, and like that way I find out the lowest common multiple. You can take any common multiple, but I took here lowest common multiple for the same denominator. We want equal denominator for the, because we have to convert it into the like fraction. So 5 7s are 35. So here I multiply by 7 and same number I have to multiply in numerator. And here is the answer. And same way 7 5s are 35. So multiply by 5 in numerator also. Same, multiply by the same number. So here also 7 3s are 21, 7 5s are 35, 5 3s are 15, 7 5s are 35. So answer is 21 upon 35 and 15 upon 35. So now next problem I will take here. Next problem is, see in your problem set 18, third problem is 4 upon 5 and 3 upon 10. Same way we will do this problem stepwise. So what is our first step? Here we must find common multiple of number 5 and 10. Here are the different denominators. 5 is the denominator here and 10 is the denominator here. So write stepwise. Don't miss out the steps. If you miss out the steps, then very difficult to find the answer. Make it easy. Yes, you have to write down. Madiha Sheikh, you are asking to write down. Yes, you can write down also, or you can take screenshot from your mobile. If you want screenshot, then you can take out screenshot. Wait, I will give you the problem number 2. If anybody wants to take screenshot, if a problem is not written by you, then you can write it down also with me, or you can take screenshot also. I am giving you 2 seconds to you. Just take out screenshot from your mobile. Okay. Now here we must find common multiple of number. See which number? 5 and 10. 5 and 10. Now what we have to do? Here we have to write table of 5. So multiple of 5. You can write full table, or if you got the common multiple up to that also you can write the table. Ten ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 50, 10 fives are 50. Very simple table it is. See here next. Here what we have to do? We have to find the common multiple. Common multiple is 10 and 10. 20 also there, no problem. But you can take any. 10 also you can take and 20 also you can take. But I am taking 10 here. Here number 10 is a common multiple of both 5 and 10. So now what we have to do? So let us make number 10 as a denominator of both the fractions. Isn't it? Now see, 4 upon 5. Huh? 4 upon 5. Now which number here we have to multiply? See here, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. If you are choosing number 10, then we have to multiply by 10. 5 twos are 10. Here also we have to multiply by 2. Same number, keep in mind, this is the very important step that you have to remember. If you are multiplying number 2 in denominator, same number we have to multiply in numerator. In every problem, denominator for equal the denominator, any number we are multiplying in denominator, the same number you have to multiply in numerator. This step is very important. Don't skip this step. 4 twos are 8, 5 twos are 10. 4 twos are 8, 5 twos are 10. See next. 3 upon 10. 3 upon 10. See here, 10 ones are 10. 10 ones are multiply by 1. So here which number you will multiply? Tell me now. Which number? Same number. Very good. 1. 3 ones are 3. 10 ones are 10. So now here is the answer. 8 upon 10 this, and 3 upon 10 ka 3 upon 10 same. So denominators are equal, that is number 10. So we converted the given fraction into the like fraction. So this is the answer of the given fraction. Answer of given fraction. What is the given fraction? 4 upon 5 and 3 upon 10. Okay. See, we solved 4 upon 5 and 3 upon 10. So here we must find common multiple of number 5 and 10. Table of 5, just remember the steps. Just you have to write down the both the table here, whichever number it is, and just find out the common multiple. And that common multiple, you have to equal the denominator by multiplying the number. Same number you have to multiply in denominator and numerator also for the equal denominator. So we can convert like unlike fraction into the like fraction. See the next problem. Problem number 4. 2 upon 9 and 1 upon 6. Now what to do? First of all, we must find a common multiple of number 9 and 6. Here is the numerator is 2, denominator is 9. Numerator is 1, denominator is 6. So, here we must find common multiple of number 9 and 6. See here, 9 and 6 are the denominators in given fraction. Now what to do? We have to write multiple of 9. So you have to write 9, table of 9. Write down table of 9. Here you have to write multiple of 6. Just find out the common multiple from the given table. See here. 9, 6, 18, 12, 27, 18. See here, 18 and 18. Same number from the both the table. So here number 18 is a multiple of common multiple of both the table. Both 9 and 6. 9 and 6. So let us make 18 denominator of the both the fraction. So let us make 18 because 18 is the common multiple from the both the table. 18 denominator of see now 2 upon 9. 2 upon 9. By which number now we have to multiply? See the 9 ka table. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. 9 twos are. So here multiply by 2 and the same number I told you before also. By the same number you have to multiply in numerator also by 2. 2 twos are 4 and 9 twos are 18. Here we solve the first fraction. Now second one is 1 upon 6. Second term. See 1 upon 6. Now which number we have to multiply? 6 na? 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 threes are 18. By the same number you have to multiply in numerator also. Number 3. 3 ones are 3. 6 threes are 18. See here. So 4 upon 18 and 3 upon 18. So denominators are equal here. So we converted given fraction into the like fraction because denominators are equal now. So here is our answer. Answer of 2 upon 9 and 1 upon 6 given fractions. I hope you understand this problem also. Problem number 4. Just you have to remember the steps. Just write down the table of 9, table of 6 here. Both the table you have to write, and from that both the table you have to find out the common number. After finding out the common number, just you have to equalize the denominator. As you can equal the denominator, you are able to find the answer of like fraction. So we have to convert given fraction into the like fraction. See, problem number 4 is finished here. Let us turn to the problem number 5. 1 upon 4 and 2 upon 3. You can see in the textbook from problem set 18, problem number 5. 1 upon 4 and 2 upon 3. Now you tell me what we have to do first. What we have to do here? Same way we have to solve this problem also. Here we must find common multiple of number 4 and 3. As here 4 and 3 are denominators in the given fraction. So now same way we have to write the table of 4. Multiple of 4. Four ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24. Same way you have to write table of 3. Table of 3. So you can write multiple of 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. Like that way you have to write down the table of 3. Now find out the common factor among it. Find out the common factor. See, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Here 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. See, 12 and 12. Common factor is 12. Now what we have to do? We have to make 12 as a common denominator. Here number 12 is a multiple of both. Both means 4 and 3, because 4 and 3 are denominators in the given fraction, and that is unlike fraction. Now what we have to do? We have to convert it into the like fraction. So let us make which number? 12. 12 is a multiple of both. Both means 4 and 3. See here. Write down the first one, 1 upon 4. Now tell me which number we have to multiply here. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Multiply by 3. Same number we have to multiply in numerator. 3 ones are 3, 4 threes are 12. 3 upon 12. Next 2 upon 3. Now tell me which number we have to multiply here. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Multiply by 4. Same number we have to multiply in numerator. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. See, 3 upon 12 and 8 upon 12. The answer of given fraction. We converted it into the like fraction because both the denominators are 12 and that only we want. Take a screenshot of it if you want, otherwise write it down. See here, next problem is 6. Sixth one, 5 upon 6, 4 upon 5. Same way, same steps we have to do in each and every problem. Here, we must find common multiple of number 6 and 5. Here denominator is 6 and here denominator is 5. So given fraction is unlike fraction, that we have to convert it into the like fraction. Multiple of 6, multiple of 5. Write down the table of 6 here. And here you have to write table of 5. See here, you got here 30 number as a common denominator. Number 30 number is the common denominator you got. Number 30 is a multiple of both. Both means 6 and 5. So let us make 30 denominator of both the fractions. Right? So write down here 5 upon 6. See, 6 5s are 30. So here which number you will multiply? Same number, that is 5. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. Second one, 4 upon 5. 4 upon 5. Tell me here which number you will be multiplying? 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 6s are. So multiply by 6, here also multiply by 6. 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. Okay. So answer is 25 upon 30 and 24 upon 30. Answer is 25 upon 30 and 24 upon 30 is the like fraction of the given fraction, that is 5 upon 6 and 4 upon 5. Isn't it? Is this clear to everyone? I think it's easy now to solve. It's very easy. Now see problem number 7. Now what we have to do? Here also we have to find common multiple of number 8 and 6. Here we must find common multiple of number 8 and 6. multiple of 8, just write down 8 का table. Like that way you have to write the table of 6 also. See, find out the common factor from it. Find out any common factor. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. 6, 12, 18, 24. See, 24. 24 is the common factor. So what I will write here? Here, number 24 is a multiple of both. Both means 8 and 6. Right? So let us make 24 denominator of both the fraction. Right? So write here 3 upon 8. 3 upon 8. Multiply here. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. So I am multiply here by 3. 3 3s are 9, 8 3s are 24. Right? Same way, 1 upon 6. See here 6 ka table. 6 4s are 24. Multiply by 4. Same number you have to multiply in numerator only. 4 1s are 4. 6 4s are 24. See here, we got the same denominator, that is 9 upon 24 and 4 upon 24. Is the answer of the given fraction. Answer of 3 upon 8 and 1 upon 6. Okay. Same way, we have to solve the problem number 8. Is the last problem of the given problem set. So here, last one, see. Now this problem you have to solve by stepwise. You have to tell me the steps. First, what we have to do? Here, we must find common multiple of 6 and 9, right? So write multiple of 6. So you have to write table of 6 here. And the same way, you have to write multiple of, very easy. Already we wrote this table. In which problem the same denominators are there, 6 and 9? We solve one problem, I think. Yes, problem number 4. See here. Problem number 4, 2 upon 9 and 1 upon 6. Here also 9 and 6 denominator were there in problem number 4. And in that problem also we find the common denominator as a 18. See now here, same factors we have to take. So which number is common here in both the table? Number 18. Right? So here number 18 is a common multiple of both, that is 6 and 9. Number 18, keep in mind. So let us make 18 denominator of both fractions. right? See, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 6 multiply by 6, 3s are 18 na? So 3s are, if you are multiplying here 3, same number 3, very important step it is. 3 1s are 3, 6 3s are 18, right? 4 upon 9, 4 upon 9. By which number we will multiply? 9 2s are 18, 2s are. The same number we have to multiply in numerator. 4 2s are 8, 9 2s are 18. So 3 upon 18 and 8 upon 18 are the like fraction of the given fraction. Of the given fraction means 1 upon 6 and 4 upon 9. Right? 1 upon 6 multiply here by 3, numerator also by 3. Answer we got 3 upon 18. And here multiply by 2 by 9. 9 2s are 18, 4 2s are 8. So answer is 3 upon 18, 8 upon 18. So 3 upon 18 and 8 upon 18 are the like fraction of the given fraction, that is 1 upon 6 and 4 upon 9, isn't it? So here problem set number 18 is finished. Some problems are there for you as a homework. Just you have to note it down the homework. Problem number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 problems are given to you. Okay. Just note it down or take a screenshot of it. Thank you. We will meet in next lecture with problem set number 19. Thank you, students.